Hey guys, what is going on? This is Shaylin from Altcoin Buzz here to report the news for today. So let's get straight into it, guys. So cryptocurrencies Red Tuesday fire sale leaves everyone speculating. So guys, we've seen 49 of the top 50 coins on CoinMarketCap be down, with only Tether USD posting a gain. So we've seen a overall bloodbath on CoinMarketCap. And what a time to be alive, guys. I mean, I'd really like to know what you guys are doing during this time. Are you guys hodling? Are you guys dip buying? Or are you guys just watching from the sidelines? Personally, I'm doing all three because I'm really looking at this as an opportunity to get into, some cryptocurrencies which were at all-time highs, and now I'm seeing them at a bargain. I'm also watching from the sidelines and basically also informing myself and learning more about the volatility of cryptocurrencies and the overall long-term vision of cryptocurrencies and their application in the future. But that's the way I'm looking at it. I'd really like to know what you guys are doing. So if you guys would like to let me know, leave a comment below and let me know what you guys are doing. But if you guys are wondering, why are we seeing all this red? Well, this came after South Korea's government was talking about adding a restriction, basically introducing a cryptocurrency trading ban, and nothing was official at the time, and nothing still is official, but that caused a lot of FUD, and as a result, we saw the market cap, which is the overall value of cryptocurrencies, drop dramatically, and the government came out and said that, look, we did not say anything officially, and nothing is official yet, and the market did bounce back a little bit, but not enough. And again, China started threatening to introduce more bans. So as you guys may or may not be aware, China is essentially overall against cryptocurrency. So they have banned ICOs in September 2017. They have also been after, closing down exchanges, basically making it bottom line impossible for people to get introduced or even just get involved with cryptocurrencies. And now they're looking to add even more bans. And as you can see, as a result from all of this happening, we've seen USA, Brazil, Indian, French, German basically add more regulators. Like, they've been adding more regulations on cryptocurrencies. So the reason I'm bringing this up is because the regulators aren't really the bad people in the sense. Now, the reason for this is that they are not totally against cryptocurrencies. In fact, they are just adding regulations in such a way that more people can get involved with cryptocurrencies, but of course, it will be more stable in that way. But again, guys, they're not like China, because China was just overall just banning everything. These guys are just adding more regulations and restrictions, but they definitely are not, fully just banning out cryptocurrency in general. And again, guys, we've seen, FOMO and FUD be a massive effect on the market right now. A lot of people are saying that, is the bubble popping? What is happening right now? The prices are just dropping, to the ground. What do I do during a time like this? So again, a lot of FUD out there on the market, and we're seeing this firsthand. So I think this is a really awesome opportunity for us to have a look at the market volatility and what is in store for cryptocurrency and its future. But anyways, guys, let's get into today's news. So Ripple's co-founder loses 44 billion on paper during the cryptocurrency crash. So that's right, guys. If you guys are thinking you're having a bad day, well, Ripple's co-founder Chris is having a worse day on paper, that is. So I know, guys, you guys probably are seeing some negative positions on your portfolio. Please do not panic sell by any means. The way I'm looking at it is, it's kind of like I'm looking at it as if there's a storm right now, and give it a couple weeks or maybe a couple of days, and the storm will go away and we will see sunshine. So that's the way I'm looking at it right now. But again, guys, Chris, who's Ripple's co-founder, has lost a ton of money on paper. So he hasn't sold or anything like that, but that's the value that he is holding. So this article goes on to say, with XRP or Ripple trading near $1 on Wednesday, Ripple's co-founder Chris holds the equivalent of just 15.8 billion according to CNBC. That is down 44 billion from Chris's paper worth of 59.9 billion on January the 4th, when Ripple hit a record high of $3.84. So if you guys think that you guys are having a bad day, well, that is not as bad as Chris, who is the co-founder of Ripple. So you guys are probably wondering, am I the only one who's taking losses during this time, or worrying about this volatility? Because as you guys know, a lot of people jumped into the market, especially from the New Year's. So they are panicking out there. So this is just to give you some information regarding how people are dealing with it at this point in time. So co-founder of a $100 million crypto hedge fund. So his name is Grant Hummer, and he goes on to say, I'll lose $1 million in a day, and I'm like, okay. So he's not looking at this as a negative thing. In fact, he's just like, I may lose money in the short term, but I believe in cryptocurrency in the long term. In fact, Mark Cuban is also mentioned in this article, and he says that it is alright to invest 10% of your savings into high-risk investments such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Personally, I don't think that they are as high risk as he's making it to seem, but that's just my opinion, not financial advice. But he goes on to say that do not invest any more than 10% of your savings, as you need to pretend like you already lost your money, because that's what it is like. I don't personally believe with that last statement, but I do believe in only investing only investing the amount that you are willing to lose, because again guys, we're starting to see a lot of volatility in the market, and nothing is assured for the future. But I do believe in the long-term vision of cryptocurrencies and what they will bring for our future. So what else is new? Well, CNBC also goes on to document that cryptocurrency price edge higher, with Ripple bouncing back 50% after severe sell-off. So guys, we have seen a massive sell-off. In fact, Bitcoin dropped all the way, I believe, down to $9,600, somewhere around that ballpark. So we've seen Bitcoin, Ethereum, all of these cryptocurrencies basically take a massive jump, basically a massive bounce, and that is really awesome to see, a massive jump right there with our cryptocurrencies. And as a result, guys, the market has also rebounded. So cryptocurrency markets are rebounding after a massive crash. So as the coins go up, the overall value of the market goes up, because the market is based on the value of the coins. So as the coins go up, the market goes up. So we are starting to see a rebounding effect, which is always good to see. But again, guys, I'm not going to call this right now because the market is still fluctuating right now. So I guess we're just going to have to wait the next couple of days or the next couple of weeks to see when we're going to see a massive bull run or just something happening like that. That is when we can be assured that it is either going to go all the way up, or it's going to go dip a bit, or even just dip all the way down. I guess we're just going to have to wait and see what happens. So what else is new? Well, digital currency plunges may be healthy for the cryptocurrency market. So again, guys, I've been saying all in my last videos, that it is only normal that whatever goes up must come down. And it is really good to see that we are starting to see this correction happen, or this crash. And this article goes on to say that, it is very healthy for us to see, this correction or this crash, because of the reasons. Because if anything just goes all the way up, guys, you must know that when it comes down, it's going to come down very hard. So the fact that Bitcoin was up over 1,000% in 2017 and only went down a little bit, now it's really good to see that it's going all the way down. Because when it goes up, guys, this thing will be parabolic. So definitely keep an eye on it for the market. But I definitely do believe that it is very healthy for us to see, a dip right now, or a plunge, or however you guys want to look at it, even a crash. It's really good to see that we are seeing this happen right now, especially at the beginning of the year, because guys, by the end of this year, you guys will see something really amazing happen if you guys are just in it for the long haul. So what else is new? Well, Alibaba launches cryptocurrency mining platform. So if you guys are not familiar with Alibaba, they are really big when it comes to Chinese e-commerce. In fact, they're one of the biggest out there, owned and operated by Jack Ma. I don't believe he actually operates it anymore. I believe there's someone else who operates it, but he is basically the guy behind Alibaba, and they are looking to launch cryptocurrency mining platforms. So they're really big, guys. So if they're really into cryptocurrency mining at this point in time, I'm sure based on their size, they really believe in the long-term vision of cryptocurrency mining. So that's a really good way of looking at it. And again, guys, let's see what else is new in the news. Well, Ledger raises another $75 million to become the leader in cryptocurrency hardware wallets. So if you guys are not familiar what Ledger is, Essentially, what it is a hardware wallet, so a physical device which stores your cryptocurrencies or coins. We've done a video on the Ledger Nano S on our channel. I'll leave a link below where you guys can check this out, or a link where you guys can check it out and maybe even purchase a hardware wallet if that's what you guys are interested in. But what it is, guys, is the most secure way, in our belief, to basically store your cryptocurrencies, because if you can get all types of wallets, such as online wallets, paper wallets, and so forth. We personally believe in having a hardware wallet where it only works when you plug it into your computer, and that way you can authorize transactions and so forth. There's a whole lot of benefits which by having a Ledger wallet has, and that's why we believe in it so much. So it's really cool to see that during their Series B round, they have raised $75 million or 65 million pounds, led by Daper Spring. So really cool to see that, they have raised so much of capital. I'm really interested to see what Ledger's future is and what updates they will have for their hardware wallets. So let's head over to Twitter and let's see what is new. Well, Ethos has just posted this update about 16 hours ago, and they say, attention Ethos community, ethos-token.io is not our official website. Any website which essentially asks for private keys or anything like that, please do not give those out, guys. Private keys are just meant to be seen only by you and you alone. So if you guys are interested in Ethos, the website is ethos.io. There's no other abbreviations or any type of versions of that. Make sure you guys go to the official websites and never ever hand out your private keys to anyone, guys. So we head over to DigiByte. They just posted this update about 22 hours ago, and that they are now on Cryptopia. So if you guys want to get involved with DigiByte, you guys can grab it at Cryptopia. I know not a lot of people are interested in Cryptopia on this channel, as they've been having tons of problems, but they're in New Zealand and I support them. So head over to Cryptopia if you guys are interested in DigiByte. So if you guys are also interested in Ardor, or Ardor, I don't really know how you pronounce this, but the ticker is ARDR. They are now back on Upbit. So they did have a bit of problems with their wallets, but now it is up to date and now it is working. So you guys can get it on Upbit if you guys are interested in that. And again, guys, if you guys are new here, be sure to follow us on Twitter at altcoinbuzz.io. We're constantly posting, votes and, polls, I should say, about what you guys think, posting updates and so forth. So definitely follow us on Twitter at altcoinbuzz.io. We're also on Instagram at altcoinbuzz. We also have a Facebook group, a Discord, a Telegram. We're just basically all over the place. So if you guys want to join our new Facebook group, like our page, join a Discord group or anything of that nature, I'll leave a link to everything below where you guys can follow us and connect with us. We'd really like to know what you guys think of specific coins, what coins to check out, what new videos we should post. Because again, guys, we're posting these videos to add value to you guys. So let us know what you guys think, by joining us and connecting with us. We'd really like to be connected to you guys and basically hear back from you guys. And if you guys are new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. That way you are constantly up to date when we launch a video. And if you love what we're doing and you've been a part of us, been a part of our Altcoin Buzz army, be sure to press a like on the video below. That way we know that you guys are supporting our videos. And again, guys, make sure you turn on notifications. That way you are constantly up to date by the second when we launch a video. And that is it for me, guys. I will catch you guys on the next video.